right, gang, ready to give you a little bit of feedback today on this Bruntmor square enameled cast iron baking pan. This is actually listed as their 2-in-1 baking pan, and I want to show you a couple things I love about it. What this is a cast iron dish. It's a square cast iron pan, but it's been enameled with a ceramic coating to keep it easier to clean, oven safe up to about 500 degrees, and it can be used on a stovetop as well. It also gives it this beautiful design that I absolutely love, in this red that kind of fades from a darker red to a lighter red. One of the things I love about this is Bruntmor has started doing what they call their 2-in-1 design, so their lids on a lot of these actually serve as their own pan as well. And so you can see on this one, it's a little bit of a griddle style with raised ribs here so that you can put like a steak or some chicken on this and use this in a different capacity, making it such a good buy for a 2-in-1. If you are looking to grow your cast iron set, your enameled cast iron set, this I think is the way to go. Overall, we've absolutely loved this. I think this is a great addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for cast iron to add to your kitchen, why don't you check this out?